Oh, that's a nice feeling fish. All right, guys, it's John Boat River Cats again this morning. We ran a little late. We're out here at Longwood Boat Ramp. I had a radiator cap decided I wanted to pop off this morning, so I had to pull over and fix that. But getting ready to head on out and see if we can't catch a fish. I also want to take a second to thank everybody that's watched my videos, everybody that has subscribed. The likes, the comments, they're greatly appreciated. Hopefully I can get some good footage for you guys. Let's see what we get. Got our first bite. Oh, I'm set up on a oh, he just let it go. Set up on an old submerged bridge in a sharp bend of this creek bed. And this creek bed runs around just like that, and it's about 44 feet, 70-degree water, and so far 2 bites, 1 takedown, and he just didn't hook up, so things might be looking pretty good today. Man, every time. I pulled up on the bank here so I could cast out the back. I think we have finally hooked up, guys. Nope, come right out of his mouth, like usual. Nope. Yep. No, he's still on there. He was just swimming straight to me. Oh, this reel has no retrieve whatsoever. None whatsoever. Not a bad blue. Male. I knew the males would be hungry today. Gotta be something eating. Got to be something eating somewhere. Calm down, dude. Well, he has really tore his mouth all to pieces. Little skinny male. Of course, males have wider heads like that. Their heads are wider than the female. His fin's tore up. He's been fanning out of bed for his lady. All right, finally got a fish today, guys. I've been out here since 6 o'clock or 8 o'clock this morning, and we're going up on shore. No, yeah, there you go. Yeah, that way. Like I said, I got out here late. I had some issues. Oh, we're getting hit again. Issues with my truck. We're hooked up again. I can't even get my line situated. This one's a lot smaller. I think he just come off. No? Yeah, he come off. Bait's still there though. Let's rehook that, 'cause it looks like it's about to come off of there. And that's probably why that fin has not been cut off. Got that re-hooked. So let's get it back out there. And I've got a SHAD headpiece to throw back on that other rod. I don't have to throw it real far. The channel's creek channel here is probably just past where my bait is. And it drops down pretty deep there. So we'll go ahead and let that fall. And we'll get this head that I knocked off my cooler. We'll get it back out there. Put this headpiece on. Still good and bloody. Rinse off the hand. All right. Let's toss this one out there. One on. That line was tight. Oh, he's swimming to me. He's got it. Yep. Now, let it go. Of course it did. Let it go. I got all the rest of them. Gotta love it when that happens. Yeah, that's not far from tearing there. We're getting bites on this bait, so we're gonna re-hook it and throw it back out. Maybe it'll hook up then. Got a good amount of hooks showing, and that's a tough piece of the fish there on the belly there. That belly meat's tough. What is going on? What's my reeling on? Let's get it back out there. I'm trying to pee out here, and I'm getting a bite. Oh, that's a nice feeling fish. I had to pull up on the bank, guys, again. Found a new spot to try out. I was starting to get frustrated with all these bass boats out here. And I mean, there's a bunch of them. Not even a bass tournament today. That's a nice fish. Oh yeah. That's a pretty decent one. Why are you death rolling on land, bro? It's not gonna help you much. I know, dude. I know that hurts. I know that's why you're trying to bite down. There we go. Not a bad little catch. Another male. He's a little fatter. He's been eating better. Hold him on out there for you. That's a nice fillet. Good sized catfish. I'll take them after a day like today. Go on out there, big boy. All right. Let's get another bait on. Just got a bite on this rod here, guys. I just threw that other bait back out. Tighten this one up. Oh yeah, had to reel down on him. This one's a little smaller and swimming straight to me. Line back up. Finally got on some fish. It's been a rough day. And I mean a rough day. Little baby blue. Little baby female. All right. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, we're getting bit here. Yep. We just thumped that. Ah, he didn't have it. That's all right. We're getting some bites now. So let's get another bait on. Get it back out there. I had some bait on my cooler. It fell off going down the water. Let that one fall and then we'll tighten it on down. Suspended fishing wasn't really working today. There's no current in that creek, so it's hard to anchor out without two anchors and cast out the back. So I had to pull up on the bank. A couple of spots I went to on the bank produced some fish. Nothing big, but you know that's fishing. You don't always catch big fish. Sometimes all you catch is small ones. There was no current going at the river today. That's the reason I didn't go there. They're generating tonight from 8 to 9 p.m. and it's woo, how exciting. So fishing on the river is not real good when the current's not going. Snapped a couple of weights off trying to cast out. Boats were everywhere. It was just frustrating. And my trolling motor went out. So I gotta get a new trolling motor. It's been John Boat River Cats with another one. Don't forget to slam that like button. Share the video with your friends and family. Cast a comment down below. And last but not least, subscribe. It really helps me out. Catch you on the next one.